everybody. Today we're going to write equations of an ellipse. We have two examples right here, and here we have the vertical orientation standard form equation and the horizontal orientation. What does that mean? So the ellipse is the shape of an oval, kinda. Okay, but then the vertical orientation means that your ellipse will look like this. And the horizontal orientation, your ellipse will look like this. Okay? Just remember that A is always greater than B. So looking at the function, looking at the equation, here you have the A on the vertical orientation ellipse. A squared is going to be right below the Y. Okay? And then on the horizontal, the A squared will be right below the X. Okay, here we go. So here I have my pretty first example right here. I should have labeled. So example 1. Here. So I have this ellipse, and it's definitely a vertical one. And for everything, so I need the center. I need H, K, A, and B for everything. So since I know I'm going to need that, I better find them. Okay, so H is from the center. So if the center is right there at -7, 4, I know H is -7, K is 4. Okay, that's easy. Now, how we're going to find A? So A, from the previous video we had, A is the distance from the center to the vertex. But this is a horizontal ellipse. We have example 1, it's a vertical one. It's still the distance from the center to the vertex. But now know that the major axis is vertical. So A is the distance from the center to the vertex. So the center to the vertex, that's A. And A in this case is 3. And B is the distance from the center to the covertex. B is that right there. And B is 2. I'll use blue. Okay, so now we can just bring it all together. So X minus, I'm looking at this one, minus H. H is -7. 2 negatives make a positive, squared over B squared. B is 2, B squared is 4, plus Y minus K, K is 4, squared over A squared, A is 3, A squared is 9, equals 1. And that's all there is to it. We're going to do one more just because. So now this time we have a horizontal ellipse. So the horizontal ellipse, I will write example 2 right here for you. We still need, so horizontal, we still need to find H, K, A, and B. So H and K is from the center. So the center is right there at the origin. So 0, 0. Now A is the distance from the center to the vertex. That's A right there. So A is 9. B is the distance from the center to the covertex. So that's B right there. B is 2. Okay. So now we'll look at the horizontal orientation standard form to where A squared is under X. So I have X minus H. H is 0, squared over A squared. A is 9. square it, 81, plus y minus k, k is 0, squared over b squared, b is 2, b squared is 4, equals 1. But it doesn't look pretty. You have to clean that up. So clean that up. X squared over 81 plus y squared over 4 equals 1. Okay? So every time your circle or your ellipse is at the center or at the origin, you need to clean that up. That doesn't look pretty. So make it nice, neat, and cleaned up.